welcome to you. My name's Dale and this is Dayle's Addiction. I'm excited to bring you June's subscriber unboxing collaboration. So many amazing pieces again this month. You guys are amping it up. This time of year I find the kind of Northern Hemisphere spring summer brings all the pieces I love. The colours, the textures, everything, and so many fabulous submissions this month. Remember last month I encouraged people to be creative with their designs, and if they were, I would award them with a Dayle's Addiction handbag hook. Now I'm keeping mine in my beautiful pink sequin baguette. I keep one in nearly all of my bags now because, you know, just makes life easy. They come in this little velvet bag and they are, whoops, that's the wrong side, and they look like that. They've got my channel logo on them and you literally just pop them on the tabletop like so and hook your handbag. If you don't want to be creative or you'd prefer just to buy one, I will have them linked to my I will have a link to my eBay store in the description box below. My hair doing weird things today. In the description box below, so you can purchase one from my eBay store if you so choose. If you would like to make a submission to my monthly subscriber unboxings, there is a trailer video on my homepage on YouTube that you can go and see the instructions. I also post the instructions video in the description box below, and I put out a reminder on my YouTube community page and on my Instagram stories a couple of times a month so that you can send through your submission. So please check those instructions. It's really important because the edit on these does take me a bit of a while, so everything you can do to support that being a smooth process is greatly appreciated. So this month was a difficult choice, but I have decided to award the Dayle's Addiction handbag hook for most creative unboxing to Deb Holzman. Deb is from Georgia in the USA, and wait until you see her unboxing in today's video. I'm sure you will love it. To everybody that submitted their unboxings, thank you so much for sharing the inspiration with our community. I always love getting your submissions. It's so fabulous. I would like to make a brief apology to our first submission that I missed. I put the wrong unboxing in the last video, so I apologize for that. I hope I've made it up to you by popping it in first on this video. So please, before it starts, give it a thumbs up to show those who have submitted that you appreciate their effort, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to see you back for more content. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Sundays and sometimes some extras, so I would love to see you back for the next video. Until then, sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
Hi Dale, this is Jamie from Tampa, Florida, USA. I have a double unboxing for you today. The first is a Louis Vuitton scarf, and here she is. Second is my wedding bag I got from Saks. Isn't she beautiful? She's Versace. She is all in crystals. I think she's exclusively to Saks Fifth Avenue. She's a mini bag, but I can fit my iPhone 14 Pro Max. And she comes with a long chain and some slip pockets for your credit cards. What do you think? Do you love my purchases?
Absolutely.
Hey Dale, my name's Jules. I'm from the UK. I've been a subscriber of yours for a while now, and I think your subscriber unboxing idea is a fabulous one, and I just wanted to share my latest purchase from DIOR, which will definitely be my last bag for this year. It's from the Autumn Winter 2023 collection. I'm on my collection and I just love the colours. Purple's my favourite colour. It comes with this fantastic crossbody strap, which isn't quite crossbody on me because I'm 5'10", but it still makes a statement, and it's a fabulous shoulder bag. Have a great day wherever you are.
Thanks so much, Jules.
Hey Dale, when I saw this bag pop up on the Reel, I had to grab it. It's a bag that I've seen on your channel many times, but I also remember sort of recently that you did a survey and not all of your viewers loved it. but actually I'm one of your viewers who really does love it. So I had to grab it when I saw it come up. It is the Gucci glazed Castino wicker bag, and I think it's so beautiful. And one of the things that you can't tell by watching this on the screen is that the glazing really makes it quite soft. I mean, I know it's with wicker in its structure, but it really has an interesting texture to it. I think it's so cool. So if we've seen it on your channel many times, we probably recognize that beautiful floral interior. And another thing that I was kind of surprised about was that this leather strap is really nice. Like, it gives a very generous protective area here to your shoulder, you know, when you wear it. So I'm so excited to wear it this summer. I'm really happy to have it in my collection. So thank you so much for the inspiration. I'm really happy.
Congratulations, Eva. Now we have Yen from the Instagram account Missy is Living. She runs between Melbourne, Australia and Jakarta, Indonesia, and she's picked up a Foyer Lepage caliber 21 in taupe, I believe. I have one of these in black, and it's such an awesome, fun bag to use, especially at night, I think. So good. So good. Congratulations.
Hi Dayle, it's Hannah from So Much Design with Hannah, and I have a new little Fendi purchase to share with you and your subscribers. Actually, I have two, and one was heavily influenced by you, Dayle. What can I say? We both have a Fendi obsession, and not at least a little Pico obsession. I think you know what I mean. So what did I get? I got this little beauty. We're twinning, Dayle. It's a twinning moment for sure. So yes, now I have the Pico Peekaboo in the little green colour, and I adore it. Thank you for flagging this one. It is amazing. And then I've got myself another little mini baguette from the Fendi Astrology collection in this light colour, in the straw, and I love it, love it, love it.
Hi Dayle, this is Deb Holtzman from Woodstock, Georgia, just north of Atlanta, Georgia, the United States. Today Barbie is going to help me unbox my purchase. She's rocking the Gucci Marmont bag. This is actually a repurchase. I got it from Saks Fifth Avenue, and it actually is a Coach Cassie 19. I had a regular Coach Cassie bag. Actually love this leather, but I gave it to my daughter since she fell in love with it. I like this one better because it has a top handle, it has a chain shoulder strap, and it has a generous crossbody strap. Barbie is also rocking the Gucci Marmont, but she got a new bag herself, so let's see what Barbie got. Something Louis Vuitton, it looks like. Yes, she's got herself a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. Don't you just love these tiny bag energy? Dayle, I hope you enjoyed these unboxings. Take care. Bye-bye now. Barbie says goodbye as well.
Thanks so much, Deb and Barbie, for sharing your new bags with us.
Hi there, I'm Kelly, and I'm just filming a quick little unboxing from Fendi in New Orleans. So, love the little wrapping. And ta-da! It is the newest, I believe, second summer collection, like the cruise collection, but not cruise. And I just love the sparkly little baguette. It makes a little baby crossbody. So excited. And that's my unboxing for today.
Thank you, Kelly. Next, we have an unboxing from Fendi, all the way from Finland. Go and follow at fin_lux_love. Let's see what we've got inside of this beautiful, crisp, white Fendi paper. Well, I know here we go. Oh, it's the By the Way mini in the straw from the June capsule. This is actually my favourite piece from the June capsule. I think it's absolutely gorgeous with the tortoiseshell perspex handles. Congratulations! And next up from Michelle, we have her new LOEWE hobo. Well done, Michelle.
After I saw this bag, I thought it would be really useful and was determined to find one. Normally, they are made in the monogram print, and the older ones that have been used in monogram, the piping is really ugly and all that thing, but this came from a seller that I've been watching for over a year. She was originally selling in Orlando, but now she is selling out of Tokyo, and she had this. It's like it's never been used, and it's a crossbody bag, and it's a unisex bag. You could wear it across the body, which I did take a picture, which hopefully will get included. My phone can fit down in the front, and it's got double zippers. The zippers are in great shape. Here, let's get this one all the way down. And you could fit a decent amount of stuff in here. So if you're going through the airport.
Thanks so much, Paula. And remember to follow Paula if you're interested in French Bulldog puppies, because she has a new litter coming in July. Next we have a huge haul from Lexi. Lexi was going on holidays and went shopping. First of all, from Louis Vuitton, she picked up the Tigerama card holder from the men's collection in Miami Green. Just super fun colour for summer. And then, also from Louis Vuitton, we have the packing cube in PM, and Lexi uses this one for makeup. She prefers these to the Nice because they're a bit more squishy. And we talked about this, and I think I might need to try those packing cubes too. And then finally, from Fendi, we have the Fendi First sunglasses. She picked them right all up before going on holidays. I hope you had a fabulous time.
Hi everyone, my name is Corinne. I have an announcement to make and a big thank you. First of all, the announcement is today is my 1-year anniversary with YouTube. Yay! And I want to say a very big thank you to Dayle. Dayle has been very supportive of other channels. She has been giving shout outs as well as doing collaborations and doing compilation videos like this one. I've no doubt that there are people who came over to my channel as a result of her support, so thank you so much, Dayle. And to save time, I know how to do this within 60 seconds. I've already taken the bag out of the box. Here it is, my very first bag from LOEWE. It is my puzzle hobo bag in avocado green. I don't have any bag in this style, so I'm really excited to have it. Bought it from an online exclusive sale recently, saved more than $1,000. So thank you for letting me share this with you.
Congratulations to you, Corinne. 1 year on YouTube is an epic effort. Go and check her out. Next we have a ready-to-wear unboxing from Katrina. I met Katrina at my Fendi event last year. She is one stylish woman. And I saw her in store recently at Fendi checking out the trunk show for the fall-winter collection. She's picked up this gorgeous tech fabric jumper in black, and I know she will rock this with her tiny little mini bags that she collects from Fendi. Enjoy your holiday, babe. Next we have a little haul from Julia from New Jersey, United States of America. She was preparing to also go on summer vacation to Aruba with her family. How amazing! She's picked up a few pieces from Fendi. First of all, we have the new small sized, if we can get it out of these tight little dust bags, Sunshine Shopper Tote in the gorgeous white with the tortoiseshell perspex handles and a great strap. This is the new Sunshine Shopper Tote size from Fendi. Check it out. It's just kind of perfect, really, isn't it? And I love that it's got that magnetic fastening at the top. She also picked up, oh, that squeaky box sound, from the June capsule, the Zodiac collection. This beautiful wrappy. Yes, Fendi calls these little scarves wrappies. Louis Vuitton calls them a bandeau. Dior calls them a mitza. Hermes calls them a twilly. Seriously, guys. And there's still more from Julia. She has been able to pick up a pair of the Fendi Feel Zucca print slides. Now these were super popular last year. They've brought them back again this year. Enjoy your holiday.
Welcoming the latest addition to my Fendi Colibri family. I am crazy over them and can't help adding this pair to my collection. Any guesses what color they are? Yes, it's the denim pair. How gorgeous. I love, love, love. Matches my mini baguette that I just bought. Hi, hi. Hello, hello, hello. My latest edition.
I love how the shoes all introduced each other. Fabulous. And this fabulous Chanel package was sent through by Patricia. She sent this through early in June, and her email starts with "Welcome to you," and she shares that she loves the peas, Connor from The Closet by Connor, and Meredith from Living Luxe with Meredith. There's just as many unboxings as we see on this channel. There is nothing quite like the Chanel unboxing, is there? Still nothing quite beats it. Dior goes close, I think, for sure. Let's see what Trish has in this dust bag. It's a Chanel Coco handle. I'm going to take a stab and say it's in the medium or small size. I know it's not a mini. Congratulations to you and thanks for sharing with us.